Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another box opening. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. This is another, sorry, I'm not all with it today. Because my friend, who I asked for prayers to go out on Saturday, has passed away. Rest easy, Will. Rest easy. But Jelly Beans, this package is from House on Whatnot. This box is from Whatnot. I got it from House. Whatnot is a live video auction. It's like eBay, but better than eBay. It's live video auctioning. There's a chat room where you talk to the seller and other people in the chat room. If you sign up under my link, you'll get a $10 in-app credit used towards anything on the app. I will also be putting House's link down below, so whenever he signs on, you can go check him out. And Whatnot is not just die-cast; it's for a lot of stuff. It's got electronics, clothing, sneakers, shoes. That sound is I'm opening the box as we speak. There's a lot of stuff you could buy on there. Let me start ripping this box open. I actually was waiting for this box to come, even though I have like 3 other boxes in the house. Today is the 13th of August. I was waiting for this one to come so I could make my other ones later during the week. So let me rip this open. Will liked my videos, even though he never commented, he liked my stuff. He's seen my collection before. He did see my collection before, because I would show him pictures and all that stuff. He liked them. Alright, everybody. Let me see. I actually forgot what I ordered from House. There's a big thing of dryer sheets that he uses to pack his cars. That ain't too stinky. 69. Yeah. Alright, here is my vehicles. It's Hot Wheels. It's only one car thing today. It's a Batman 5 pack. Includes Baseline, Batmobile, Batcopter, Ford Fusion, and Cockney cab. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that a lot, Jelly Beans. Thank you very much, House. I'll be sure enough to share my link with you and put your link in the description down below. Alright, everybody. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.